It's a 1967 Citroen Deux Chevaux. I've always been interested in the Deux Chevaux, and I was reading the want ads in the paper, in the Star in '91, and saw one listed, and made the mistake of going to look at it and ended up buying it. The person I bought it from had imported it from the U.S. It was originally sold in Belgium. I was interested in the Deux Chevaux because of its intriguing design. It was designed about the same time as the Volkswagen Beetle, but for a different market in France, and it has all so many interesting engineering features that are very different from most cars. It's a front-wheel drive, and it's a flat two opposed, like one cylinder at each side. It has an oil cooler, and it has inboard disc brakes, which is rather unusual. So the disc brakes are right beside the engine before you get to the drive shaft. It's very softly sprung, and it has absolutely no anti-roll built into the suspension, so whenever you take a corner it leans over quite a bit. But it never falls over, it just leans, and it worries the people behind you. One of the most interesting features of the car is the windows. Rather than having a roll-down window, the windows are hinged at the bottom, originally just so that you could put your hand out and signal a turn, but there is a clip to hold them open so that you can have some air on the highway, and also it keeps the wind from messing up your hair. The top speed depends on the wind and the gradient. On a level road with no wind, it'll do about 110. Downhill, I've had it up to 130, but I've not managed to get a speeding ticket yet. It has 29 horsepower. I don't think it's really probably appropriate for today's world, but it's a lot of fun.
If you consider Motoring TV's been on the air for 30+ years, there's no doubt you've missed a few episodes. Well, there's a couple of ways you can catch up and make sure you don't miss anything. First, you can go to YouTube and look up just segments or complete shows. Also, if you want to know what we're doing, like today on a daily basis, just go to our Facebook page, and also you can go to motoringtvshop.com, get some cool swag. Oh, there's also that Instagram thing.